Doctor Doom's armor isn't just magic and metal. It's packed with Latverian tech, advanced energy shields, self-repairing alloys, and AI-driven defense systems. This makes him nearly unstoppable in direct combat. But here's the catch. His overconfidence blinds him to psychological tactics. Heroes like Captain America exploit chaos where Doom's rigid strategy fails. Doctor Doom's armor is a double-edged sword. Its ancient magic and Latverian tech make it nearly invincible, but its blind spot leaves him vulnerable to psychological tactics. While his rigid strategy works against brute force, heroes like Captain America and Spider-Man exploit chaos, turning his strength into weakness. Doctor Doom's magic is powerful but predictable. His spells rely on precise incantations and gestures, like summoning energy blasts or shields. Doctor Strange counters this by disrupting the spell's rhythm using a quick flick of his wrist to break Doom's concentration. Scarlet Witch, with her chaos magic, can rewrite Doom's spells mid-cast, turning his own power against him. Their adaptability exploits Doom's overconfidence in his rigid, rule-based magic. Doctor Doom's armor isn't just steel. It's a weapon of psychological warfare. His deep voice and grand speeches, like calling the Avengers inferior, make them doubt themselves before battle even starts. But Captain America counters this by rallying his team, proving unity beats intimidation. Doctor Doom isn't just powerful. He's a tactical genius. His armor is nearly unstoppable. His magic is unmatched, and his presence alone can break morale. But here's the catch. That same strategy creates a vulnerability. Doom relies on overwhelming force, but when heroes like Spider-Man or Iron Man adapt quickly, his rigid plans falter. It's like playing chess against someone who moves faster than you can think. Doom assumes he's always 3 steps ahead, but reality doesn't work that way. Doctor Doom's armor isn't just impenetrable. It's a trap he sets for himself. He thrives on control, but the Avengers don't fight predictably. While Doom expects heroes to react to his grand speeches or spells, they improvise. Spider-Man weaves through his magic like it's just another obstacle, and Iron Man adapts faster than Doom can recite an incantation. It's not about countering magic, it's about outsmarting a mind that assumes victory before the battle even starts. Doctor Doom isn't just a villain. He's a chess master. His armor is a weapon of intimidation, designed to break enemy morale before the first strike. He speaks with the authority of a king, expecting his words alone to crush resistance. But here's the catch. Doom's confidence is his weakness. He assumes every battle will play out exactly as he scripts it in his mind, leaving no room for improvisation. Yet heroes like Captain America and Spider-Man thrive on adaptability. While Doom recites incantations or monologues, they move, dodge, and strike. His rigid strategy becomes a trap. He's so focused on controlling the narrative that he overlooks the small, unpredictable moves that can bring him down. Doctor Doom's trailer drops a bombshell. He's not just facing the Avengers, but the X-Men and Fantastic Four, too. That's a problem because these teams don't play by his rules. The X-Men adapt like chameleons, their mutations letting them counter his magic mid-spell. Meanwhile, the Fantastic Four brings brute force firepower that even Doom's armor can't fully deflect. It's a mismatch in strategy. Doom expects precision, but these heroes thrive on chaos. His grand plans assume control, yet here's the flaw: he can't account for heroes who don't follow. Doctor Doom's mind is a weapon, but even the sharpest blade dulls with use. His armor isn't just impenetrable, it's a psychological trap designed to break will before battle. But here's the flaw. Doom assumes his enemies will follow his script. They don't. While he recites incantations or monologues, heroes like Spider-Man dart around his magic, and Iron Man adapts faster than he can cast a spell. His strategy thrives on control, yet fatigue is his blind spot. Prolonged battles drain his precision into hesitation. That's when the Avengers strike, not with brute force, but by exploiting the moments his mind stumbles. Doctor Doom's armor isn't just a weapon, it's a liability. The weight shifts his balance, creating blind spots when he's mid-spell or monologuing. Heroes like Spider-Man exploit these gaps, darting in while Doom recites his grand speeches. His design prioritizes intimidation over mobility, turning his strength against him. Chaos thrives where control falters. Doctor Doom isn't just strong, he's brilliant. His plans are so intricate that even the Avengers can't keep up. But here's the catch. His genius assumes everyone follows his rules. The X-Men? They mutate mid-strategy, adapting faster than he can react. The Fantastic Four? They hit harder when he least expects it. Doom thrives on control, but chaos is his weakness. While he's busy reciting spells or monologues, heroes like Spider-Man slip past his defenses. His armor is heavy. His focus can't last forever. And that's exactly when the Avengers strike. Doctor Doom's confidence isn't just bravado, it's a calculated gamble. He assumes the Avengers will fall for his grand speeches. But heroes like Spider-Man thrive in chaos. His armor is designed to intimidate, yet its weight creates openings when he's least expecting them. Doom expects control, but the Avengers, they exploit those tiny moments of hesitation. It's not just about strength. It's about who blinks first. Doctor Doom's armor isn't just heavy, it's a trap. The weight slows him down when he's mid-monologue, creating gaps for heroes like Spider-Man to dart in and out. His genius lies in his grand strategies, but chaos thrives in those small moments of hesitation. The Avengers? They exploit every second of that. Doom assumes control, but the X-Men mutate mid-strategy, adapting faster than he can react. It's not